Hi, boys and girls. Mr. Harl here, coming you from my home. But I'm getting better. I'm getting better. I'm taking my vitamins and getting some rest. So here we go. I once those 10 days are over, I shall be back. Okay, just be patient. I'm making a video so you boys and girls can refer to it just in case you don't understand. So slide number 2 here, we'll have to use it to answer slide 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so let's see. I wanted to go over the first one with you guys. And I already wrote down the answers because I started working on these on my own. But let's go ahead and solve these. So the directions say, look at the red line on the coordinate plane. So I'm looking at that red line on the coordinate plane. I realize that there's 3 points on this line, and I know that this is going to be 1. This point's going to be 1 on the x-axis, 2 on the y-axis. This point's going to be 2 on the x-axis and 4 on the y-axis. This point's going to be 3 on the x-axis, 6 on the y-axis. So I know this one is 1 and 2, 2 and 4, 3 and 6. Ooh, I already see a pattern. So the first one was 1 and 2. Oops. Second one, I believe, was 2 and 4. 2 and 4. The third one was through coordinate x would 3, and coordinate y is 6. 3 and 6. So the coordinate x would be 3, the coordinate y would be 6. And then we put the coordinates in an ordered pair, which you know how to do because we've been doing this since the beginning of 5th grade. I will put them in parentheses. Okay, 1 comma 2. 2 comma 4. 3 comma 6. All right, now my next set of directions. Write a rule for the x and y coordinates. Y equals. Okay, this is where it gets a little tricky. And if you don't understand how to do this, it's okay. When I return, I will go over these slides and I'll go over how to analyze formulas. Now, I may be getting these wrong, but we know how we learn in room 603. We see mistakes because we all can relate to it and we learn from them. I think it's the best way to learn. So let's see. Y equals, okay. So I'm going to go ahead and draw. It's hard to draw with the mouse. So let's see a pattern. They're counting by twos. 2, 4, 6. But it has to be a pattern that compares y and x. So 2, what x times 2 equals 2 times 2 equals 4. 3 times 2 equals 6. That's the pattern. Check it out. X times 2 equals 2. 2 times 2 equals 4. 3 times 2 equals 6. And your answer is going to be y, which are these. Y equals x. These are your x's. 1, 2, and 3 are your x coordinates, right? Right. Y equals x times 2. Okay, let's type that in. All right. Type. You guys can just go ahead and type it in. So, all right, how do I type? Okay, y equals coordinate x times 2. Ta-da! And that's how you do this one. Now let's go ahead and finish these next ordered pairs. These points also lie on the red line. Use the rule to fill in the missing coordinates for these points. 4 and blank, 14 is on the y, 12 is on the x-axis, 40 is on the y-axis. So let's look at that red line, 4. Okay, 4, 4 and 8. 4 and 8. I can't lose that train of thought. What do you mean I can't type in there? 8. No, okay. I'm gonna have to make a text box. Is that you're gonna make me do that? Really? Okay, let me make text boxes just in case, boys and girls. Control C. You guys know how to do this. Oh, I probably accidentally deleted it. Okay, 4 and 8. I said 8. Okay. 4 and 8. Oh, that's this world's smallest 8. Alright, next one is 14 on the y-axis. Here we go. 14 on the y-axis, and boom, it hits the x-axis right there. Looks like it's gonna be 7, 14. So it's 7, 14. Don't forget. 7, 14. Okay, 12 on the x-axis. So 12, 12, 12 on the x-axis. Oh boy. Is it really going to challenge me? Let me skip it. Or let me not skip it. Oh, I might have to see a pattern. I have to see a pattern. Okay. These points also lie on the red line. Use the rule to fill in the missing coordinates for these points. 4 and 8. Okay. I get it. I get it. Look. 4 times x times 2 equals 8. X times 2 equals 14. So look, 4 times 2. I get it. I get it. I get it. I get it. 4 times... No, that's not cool. That's not cool. 4 times 2 equals 8. 4 times 2 equals 8. 7 times 2 equals 14. 12 times 2 will equal 24. So it's not on the coordinate plane. So 12 times 2 equals 24. Okay, 40 divided by 2 is 20. Because 20 times 2 equals 40. So that's how you do this one. Okay. Should I do another one with you guys just in case? I know it takes long to explain, but it's okay. I'd rather you guys understand this. I'll do this one. And I'm going to erase it. And the reason I'm erasing it because I was playing around with it before I made the video. Okay. I sound a lot more boring on the video, don't I? I'm usually all animated when I'm in live and in the flesh. Alright, boys and girls. Are you ready to see a pattern? So it says here, look at the blue line of the coordinate plane. Blue line, here it is. Here's the blue line, okay. First one on the x-axis, 1 and 8. 2 and 9. 3 and 10. Okay, so 1 and 8. 1, 8. Nope, I said 1, 8. Okay. 2 and 9. 2 and 9. Next one. Don't fall asleep on me now. 3 and 10. 3 and 10. Now it's time to put the ordered pair together. Find the pattern. Okay. 1 and 8 would be the ordered pair for this one. X coordinate 2, comma 9 would be for this one. 3 and 10 would be for this one. What's the pattern? Let's see. 1, okay, y equals, okay, 8, 1 plus 7, 2 plus 7, I got it, 3 plus 7, yes. Look it, guys and girls. 1 plus 7 equals 8. You see that? 2 plus 7 equals 9. See the pattern? It's plus 7. 3 plus 7. This is getting easier, isn't it? 3 plus 7 equals 10. So all you have to do is name these as x, because these are all the x coordinate pairs, right? And just type in here y, which are 8, 9, and 10. Y equals x plus 7. X more than 7, or something like that. Okay, or plus 7 to be on the safe side. All right, so let's go ahead and type in the pattern. Y, and as you remember, is x plus 7. Now let's go ahead and finish the rest of these coordinate pairs. All right, on the blue line, 5. So let's see, 5 is right here. The y-axis, the y-coordinate be 12. 5 and 12. There might be a pattern too. Okay, 17 is right here. Oh, geez. Okay. I don't see 17. Nor 14. So we're going to have to rely on this pattern. So remember, 5 plus 7. Let me write it just in case you forgot. Remember the pattern? X plus 7. 5 plus 7 equals 12. So this number plus 7 is going to equal 17. That's easy. That's 10. 16 plus 7 is going to equal whatever number. That's 33 on the y-axis, the y-coordinate. And this number plus 7 is going to equal 33. All right. Doot. All right, let's finish. Plus 7. Okay. 10 plus 7, we said, right? 10 plus 7. 16 plus 7 is 33. Okay, this one. I'm going to work backwards. 33 minus 7 is 26, right? 26 plus 7. Yeah, it's 33. Oops. Okay. Okay. Hopefully, you boys and girls, this is enough for you to work on slides 5 and 6, okay? Now, I think the slides get easier. So watch. They already give you the formula here. Y equals x plus 5. So all you got to do is just 2 plus 5 right here. All right. I'll just do this next one. I'll do this next one to help you guys answer slides 8. Yeah, slide 8. All right, here we go. All right. This is 2 plus 5, so this is going to be plus 5. This will be plus 5. Look at the pattern. I'm looking at this right here. I'm looking at that.